I started FD Global Connections in response to a terrifying statistic that I heard, which was 80% of Australian companies that look to launch into the US actually fail. Having launched products in the US when I lived in the US, I felt that I could contribute and support companies from Australia as they were launching into that market.
We decided that the US was the most logical market for us to expand into. We've sort of hit a ceiling in Australia.
We knew that, of course, the American market is huge and there is potential there in a lot of different applications, applications that don't exist here in Australia.
There was some insight that we were lacking that we needed if we were going to really do a really good job in the US. We found out about the program and it was perfect for us.
We work closely with both startups, with small business and also medium enterprises to prepare for the US market entry.
When we got there, even though we knew what meetings were planned, we had no way of knowing how good it was going to be. We met with such amazing people.
It has transformed the business. It was an incredible experience. Trina and her team matched my business with people who I would not have thought of but were such a good fit for my business.
It was fantastic to finally talk to some VCs that were interested in robotics and didn't immediately dismiss hardware. So often in Australia we talk to angels, VCs or whatever. A lot of them in Australia will just automatically say no to hardware.
We kind of turned up on the Monday and everything, the whole week was beautifully designed.
And we met with a children's apparel brand, the owner of the children's apparel, and she was fantastic.
The female founders that came on this program have been absolutely amazing. They have put enormous hours into being prepared today for the final workshop where they're presenting the USA strategy to a room full of international C-suite executives and mentors.
I think one of the biggest takeaways for me for this whole program has been the validation on sort of an international scale, not just, yeah, we knew we were doing well in Australia and we're very proud of what we've got to, but talking to all these people, we know we can go so much further and quite quickly.